Hi, my name is Chris and we're running through Tune a Day for Flute Original Series. This is moving on to Lesson 6A, where we have more practice moving from C to D. This time we're moving from C, which is the little finger here, no thumb on the back, first finger. It really is a case of everything that's on comes off and everything that's off goes on. So it's one movement from C to D, from C to D, C to D. You need to practice this. It's unlikely you're going to drop your flute, but if unsure, just rest the top of your flute on your shoulder so you can practice that movement still with it horizontal. You don't want to be looking down like this and practicing it because you use the wrong muscles, so try and keep it here. Practice silently on the top line, which is moving from C to D and B to D. You can play it as well, but the main focus is practicing moving the fingers. We then have another edition of Jingle Bells. Let's have a go. It's in G major, but we have no Fs to worry about, so there's no key signature. When to breathe? Well, I would breathe every 2 bars. If you need to breathe before, then you could breathe on the bar line, but try and play it at a speed where you can breathe every 2 bars. If you're playing it quite slowly, and there's nothing wrong with that, if you need to play it slowly, do breathe every bar and then try and speed it up. Don't be satisfied with a slow version. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I left it a little late on the end of line 1. I was actually running out of breath by the time we got to the D. Did you notice? Maybe I should have taken a breath a little earlier. I was playing it a little slower. It would go a little faster normally. So if we just... that sort of speed, you'll be able to breathe every 4 bars. So it all depends on the speed you're playing it. Do try and follow the music with this one rather than playing it as you think it sounds or as you sing it. By following the music, you'll get a greater benefit. Hope that helps. See you next time. Bye for now.